If you've had a computer for a while, you probably noticed it slowing down. Hi, I'm Charles Stewart Jr., and I'm going to tell you how to make your computer faster. One of the first things you can do, just without buying anything, is just to check and see your hard drive. Make sure it's not too full. The best way to do that is go to My Computer and then click on your hard drive, and it'll tell you right there what size it is and how much free space you have left. If you don't have a lot of free space left, then that's probably a big thing that's slowing down your computer right there. Because files are stored all over the place on a hard drive. It's not nice and neat like you would think sometimes. So the more stuff you have on there, and especially the bigger the hard drive is, the longer the computer has to take to find those files. So with just everyday tasks. So it definitely will slow down your computer. So you'll want to go in and delete cookies, or go into your disk cleanup utility and run that, and it'll clean up delete files that you don't need anymore. Or just go in and, if you're not using folders or even programs, go in and delete those, and that'll clear that off of there, especially stuff you're not using anymore. The next thing would be to upgrade your RAM. That's usually one of the cheapest and easiest things to do, and you'll see a significant speed increase in your computer, because a lot of people don't realize that RAM does play a big part in the speed of your computer. So obviously if you're buying a computer, you don't want to skimp on the RAM. Definitely get as much of that as you can afford. And if you've had your computer for a while, you can probably find RAM pretty cheap on the internet. So that's definitely another thing you can do. And pretty much the last thing to do is if you want to kind of keep as much stuff off of the hard drive that your operating system runs on. So maybe buying an external hard drive to keep your music and movies and whatever, your personal files on that, or maybe buy another internal drive and install it in your computer and keep that stuff on there, which also helps as a safeguard in case that computer crashes one day. You didn't lose all that data, and you can take it to another computer. And those are just a few things to keep your computer running or make it run faster.